The Olympic dream, more than medals. It's a journey filled with passion, perseverance, and an unyielding spirit. We watch in awe as athletes push limits at the Olympic Games. Dedication, sacrifice. Every drop of sweat, every tear, every moment of pain is a testament to their commitment. Years of work for that moment of glory. Countless hours spent perfecting their craft, often in solitude away from the limelight. But behind the scenes, there's another competition: managing finances. Olympic journeys are expensive. The cost of training, equipment, and travel can be overwhelming. Training, coaching, travel, it adds up. Every session with a coach, every trip to a competition, every piece of gear requires funding. And for most athletes, big endorsement deals are not a reality. Many struggle to find sponsors, and the financial burden falls on their shoulders. This is where smart money management becomes their secret weapon. Budgeting, planning, and making every dollar count are crucial for their success, both on and off the field. Financial stress can cripple anyone, even Olympic hopefuls. When you're worried about bills, it's hard to focus on training. Financial stability brings peace of mind. Athletes can then pour their heart into their sport, knowing their financial house is in order. This focus is crucial when aiming for the world stage. Take the legendary Michael Phelps, for example. Sure, he had sponsors, but Phelps also lived within his means, never letting fame get to his head. He understood the importance of saving and investing for the long haul, ensuring his financial stability beyond his swimming career. Then, there's gymnast Simone Biles, a powerhouse in her sport. She's known not only for her incredible talent, but also for her savvy financial decisions, which have set her apart. Biles prioritizes smart investments and avoids overspending, always thinking about her future. She proves that financial discipline leads to success on and off the mat, balancing her athletic career with financial acumen. Both Phelps and Biles exemplify how athletes can achieve greatness, not just in their sports, but also in managing their finances wisely. Their stories inspire other athletes to take control of their financial futures, showing that with the right mindset and discipline, success is attainable in all aspects of life. Gold medal strategies for your money. These athletes teach us valuable lessons. First, create a budget. Just like they plan their training schedules meticulously, you should plan your finances. Track your income and expenses. This helps you understand your financial habits and make necessary adjustments. Know where your money goes. Awareness is the first step to financial control. Second, build an emergency fund. This is your safety net, just like an athlete's backup plan. Having 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved can be a lifesaver. It provides peace of mind and security. Third, invest wisely. Seek advice, diversify, and watch your money grow. Just as athletes rely on coaches, you should rely on financial advisors to guide you. Your financial podium awaits. You don't need to be an Olympian to win with money. Take control of your finances today. Make a plan, stick to it, and enjoy the peace of mind it brings. Remember, financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Start your journey now and watch your financial dreams take flight. Subscribe for more.